Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Sam Postage joins us now. Sam, you were talking about us getting near record heat today, and that means we still have some fire danger.
Yeah, exactly, Willis. Alamosa, I mentioned this in my first weather, but it's worth repeating. They're at about 8 days in a row of record high temperatures in the San Luis Valley. Just unbelievable heat in the southern half of the state. There are red flag warnings in effect until 9 o'clock for the San Luis Valley and also across I-25 in Los Animas and Walsenburg area. Monument camera, Community Banks, Colorado. The sun was out earlier, not so much anymore. It's been a breezy and warm day. We actually maxed out at, I believe, 80 degrees in Colorado Springs. Our record's 81 for today, so we just missed breaking a record in the Springs. Pueblo, you hit 88. You're still at 87 degrees. Pretty warm out there on Highway 50 still. 88 in La Junta, and temperatures on the warm side today, and then cooling off slightly through our Monday and Tuesday. Still pretty comfortable with seasonal temperatures in the 60s for Colorado Springs, which is where we should be this time of the year. We shouldn't be hitting into the 80s, but we really have been the last couple of days. Here's your radar shot. Notice the moisture across I-70. Not really causing any problems yet, but from now until about 10 o'clock is the best time frame to be getting those thunderstorms in Lincoln, Elbert County, as well as just northern El Paso County. I'm not too concerned about anything severe in Colorado Springs, just an isolated shower or two tonight. Most of the severe weather is well off to the northeast in Nebraska and Kansas, not so much in Colorado today. Here's your 10 o'clock. Notice still Lyman, maybe a thunderstorm or two, very isolated. These are the thunderstorms that are maybe about 5 to 10 miles in diameter, so hit or miss. Not everybody will see thunderstorms on I-70, but if you find yourself under a thunderstorm tonight, it could be producing very small hail, gusty winds, and some pretty heavy rain, as well as lightning, of course. So keep that in mind if you're in the eastern side of the state today. 18 miles an hour in Pueblo. Winds sustained at 30 miles an hour in Walsenburg. Alamosa, you were gusting at 35 miles an hour. Your relative humidity right now actually in Alamosa is 5%. Then you combine that with the temperatures, that's why you're getting all those red flag warnings today. Temperatures into the 50s overnight, staying warm, 48 degrees in the Springs. We should be in the low to mid 40s, so slightly above average with our evening temperatures, 71 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Still through in that isolated rain chance. I don't think we'll see a whole lot of rain for tomorrow, but again, one of those events could last 20 or 30 minutes. The vast majority of our Monday should actually stay dry in the Springs. Here's our Monday. High temperatures, 81 degrees in La Junta, so cooling slightly like I was mentioning, but still relatively nice out there. Woodland Park at 65 degrees for tomorrow, and then staying into the 60s through your midweek. And notice Wednesday and Thursday, a little bit drier out there for your midweek forecast, but then you see a return of those rain chances by Friday. Here's Canyon City sitting at 77 degrees for tomorrow's forecast, into the 60s for Tuesday. A couple spotty showers and thunderstorms are possible of low severity, into the 70s by Wednesday and Thursday. Pueblo sitting at 69 degrees for Tuesday, and then back into the low 80s by Thursday. Then we have to deal with another cold front for late week, bringing us precipitation chances Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So enjoy our Wednesday, Thursday, because then this weekend, this coming weekend, I should say, some more rain. But before I hand things off, I wanted to pass along some